bwana. Ruka tu kufaint tu. Hapa sasa tutaandika kwa YouTube. Tuandike mara ya kwanza Kabila kukunywa chai. Endelea. Unarekodi, unachukuliwa video.
His Excellency Right Honorable the President of the Democratic of Congo.
Mr. Kabila.
Somebody with a cup of tea.
Yeah.
Along Uasin Gishu County.
The first time since he was born.
In his periodical
in history.
Out of since he was born.
He was born.
I thank the Almighty God for that.
For giving you a cup of tea. Good.